Okay, we got a water heater situation. The water heater's not coming on. There was a little spark here. Got a little toasty. Got a little toasty over here on the plug. So I changed the plug and I changed the socket. Still doesn't come on. So what we have is a situation where you have the heating elements. And in this particular GE model, you have to take off the cover to get to them. And that's one, and that's the other one. But first we're gonna have to drain the water out of the water heater. Okay, so I got the hose. I open up the valve and I close the water that feeds into the water heater, and I open the exit valve so it has the ability to breathe the water out. Also, there's a reset button here. If you're super duper lucky, you can try that instead of having to change the two heating elements. So you want to give that a shot. I'm going to start unscrewing the two cables that's hooked up to the water element. Just undo it a little bit, move it out. When you're unscrewing this heating element, you're going to have to grab it just from this. Don't grab it from the back. And unscrew it, and this is what it looks like. There's your going rate for the heating element, 11 bucks. This one needs 2, so I'm gonna buy 2. Okay, I screwed it in just so you know that don't be worried about what side of the post you put the 2 wires back on, because both are positive. Alright, so I put them back in. I put in the caps on. I'm going to turn on the water back on so I can fill it up before I try turning on, before I plug it into the socket to see if it works.